We make wooden utensils that are too pretty to put in a drawer, that's for sure. That's why we sell this concrete utensil holder. It's made by a friend of mine up in northern Montana out of a high strength, low weight concrete, so it's fairly light, very strong. It's a perfect gray to match any wooden utensils and look great together. And it is 4 inches in diameter here, and the pocket is about 6.5 inches deep. So it'll hold a big ladle or a small spreader. It'll get you covered there. It'll probably hold about 15 utensils, maybe a few more depending on which utensils you're talking about. We put a little sealer on the side here, so if it's sitting next to your stove and you get a couple splatters on there, you're going to minimize discoloration by having that sealer on there. We also added a cork bottom to it so that it will never scratch your countertop. You can slide it around all you want, you don't even have to pick it up. So this is the perfect way to display all of your Earlywood utensils. Get yourself one of these, set it next to your stove so you can enjoy looking at your Earlywood utensils instead of keeping them in your drawer.